Hi everyone, how are you? It's Leah Coss with the Mortgage Center, and I wanted to help you answer the question for those of you going through this hard time. My bank said no, now what do I do? Well, there's some good news for you. Basically, your bank is not the only lender out there, okay? When it comes to banks and when it comes to products on the market, there's so many. I myself have access to over 40 lenders, so you can imagine they're obviously all not trying to go after the same people. Many banks are only looking for what we call A+ people. These mean that you've got great credit, that you've got great documented income, a steady job, and a great down payment from a very steady source. And the reality is, not all of us are built alike. Not all of us have that. Maybe something happened in the past. Maybe you went through a divorce and your credit took a bang, but it's not because you don't pay your bills. Maybe you went on vacation and missed a couple payments. Now your credit's taken a hit for this temporary time and it's slowly being built back up, but you want to buy now. Maybe your down payment is coming from an undocumented source, or maybe you're self-employed and you have so many write-offs that your income just isn't showing up the way that you need it to in order to qualify for the home that you can afford. Banks are going to look at things that can be proven, and banks are going to look at things in a way that makes them feel secure in giving you their money. But not every lender is like that. So to answer the question in a short form, if your bank said no, what do you need to do? You need to give me a call. Reason being is I'm going to put you, or I'm basically going to talk to you first. I'm going to figure out, what is your situation? Are you a new immigrant? Are you self-employed? What's your situation? And I'm going to look at all of my lenders and I'm going to see which ones have the product that'll suit your needs. Then from that pool, I'm going to look at who's offering the best rates based on your needs. And then from there, we're going to put your file together. I'm going to send it into them and we're going to hope that things go well. Now, if the situation is where maybe your credit is just absolutely thrashed for whatever reason, divorce, or there's so many things such as, you forgot to make a payment on a credit card that you cut up and decided never to use again, but there was an annual fee on it and now your credit's taken a hit. What can you do then? Because no bank or non-bank will look at you. At that point, I'm going to start looking at private lending. And what private lending is, well, to explain it more, go to my video blog, mortgagesinvancouver.com. I've got a whole blog just on private lenders to help you understand who they are. But basically, they pick up the crumbs. And I'm not saying that you're a crumb. I'm just saying that they're picking up the files that nobody else wants. To be honest, they don't care what your income is. They don't care if you can document it. They don't care where your down payment's coming from. They don't care what industry you're working in. And they don't care what your credit score is. What they're going to require you to do is put more of a down payment down. So you're not going to be able to just put down 5%. They're probably going to want you to put down 20%. And they're going to want you to pay a higher interest rate because you're a higher risk client. But at the end of the day, if it comes down to you having a home or not having a home, at least this is giving you an option. And then by the time you come time for renewal or refinancing, at that point, again, we'll look at your file, and if your credit's picked back up, if you've got documented income, or if the things that were hurting you before are not hurting you now, we'll switch you. All right, so there are options for you. If your bank said no, that's not the end of the world. Give me a call and I'll help you out. All right, so Leah Coss with the Mortgage Center. Give me a call at 604-313-9996. Go to my website for more information, mortgagesinvancouver.com. And good luck, and hopefully I'll talk to you soon.